As a dancer, what's most important is being able to instill the love of what you do, your drive, and your passion into your audience. As a business owner, the exact same thing rings true. Hi, my name is Brandon Walker. I'm the owner of House of Aperture, a video strategy firm based in Old City, Philadelphia. I picked up a camera when I was in 6th grade. I've had a camera in my hand ever since. After I graduated from college, I started to get involved with dance. After I started, capturing my journey as a salsa dancer, people started noticing my work and started to hire me for weddings. As a wedding shooter, one of the things that you have to be adept at doing is creating a story visually that people are magnetically attracted to. After shooting weddings for years, some businesses that I was familiar with from the wedding industry started noticing what I was doing and asked me to create content for them. From there, I saw that the content that I was creating for them was helping them to see massive results. From there, when I saw this effect that I was having when I was assisting all of these businesses and helping them become more successful, it's like, okay, this is what I was meant to do. I help business owners by creating video content that helps them either to save time during their day-to-day business, to reach new clientele, or to be as profitable as possible. So what I do is very different from what regular videographers do. How we help potential clients is we sit down with them and do a deep dive session to find out what your authentic voice is, what your story is, and why you're passionate about how you serve your clients. In addition to the directing, scripting, being their cinematographer, we help you implement it on all of your social media platforms and every single platform that you connect with your audience. Your email signatures, your website, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, everywhere online that people can see who you are and what you do, we help you implement it. After that, we continue to walk with you hand in hand to make sure the content we create for you is ingrained into the minds of the masses, making sure that your story, your voice, your passion is being heard. At the end of the day, every single market out there, real estate, law firms, chiropractors, all of these different types of industries, they're saturated with people that are all doing the exact same thing. More often than not, they're putting out the exact same type of content. So how do you discern who to work with, as somebody that's looking to spend money on these different types of services? The best way to separate yourself from everybody else in the pool is to tell your story, tell why you're passionate about your specific business, why it matters to you, why it should matter to your potential customers. And from showing your why, that's how you're going to magnetically attract people that are willing to purchase from you and make you more successful. So if you're looking for powerful story-driven content for your business, we would love to help be a part of your success. Contact us at www.houseofaperture.com/discovery forum and let us be a part of your success today.